Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my March 2023 Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing. So this is my last of the Ipsy and BoxyCharm beauty subscriptions that I'm waiting for this month. So if you're interested to see my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing, my Boxy Luxe box, and my BoxyCharm Premium box, I believe it is, I have those already up here on my YouTube channel. But so let's go ahead and get into this month's Glam Bag. This is the lowest tier, the least expensive of the beauty subscriptions, and it's a monthly beauty subscription that's supposed to be customized to your preferences and based off of a quiz and product feedback that you've given. So let's go ahead and see how this month's bag is for me. Ooh, a pretty bag here. I like the design of it. So there are some products in here. Let's see. Oh, also some additional products that are loose in the mailer here. But before I get into those, I wonder if I have product information. Let's see what's on this card here. Ooh, I do have some product information. Okay, let's start with this product here, which I'm definitely not too excited to get because I never like to get brushes just because I have way too many and I've set my preferences and given the feedback to not get brushes. So definitely disappointing to see a brush. This is from the brand Shayna B Miami and it's the setting brush. I mean, it looks nice, feels fine. It's just that it's not my preference to get brushes, but this Shayna B Miami setting brush retails for $5. So it's very pretty. That's a relatively affordable price point for a nice brush like this. The other product that was loose in the mailer, this looks like it might be a full-size product and I'm excited about this. It's from Benefit and I think they have this new line of professional products, which I am very intrigued by because I definitely deal with large pores as one of my main skin concerns. So I'm excited to try this out. This is the Tighten Toned Pore Refining AHA and PHA Toning Foam. So normally I'm not too psyched to get skincare products, but this is very exciting to me because it's that new line that targets a skincare concern of mine, but I've never tried a toning foam. So even the format of this skincare is cool and unique and different. So let's take a little peek at it. It definitely kind of sounds empty, but maybe that's how they do the foam. I don't know. Let's see if this is full size. Oh, okay. Wow. No, this is a deluxe sample. The full size is $34. This is 22 milliliters. Wow, the full size is 133 milliliters. So actually a lot bigger than this. Yeah, I'm definitely going to try this out and I'm very excited about it. Okay, now let's see what's in my little makeup bag here. First, we've got an Anastasia Beverly Hills product, which I'm always excited to see. Oh, this is the clear brow gel. So I have definitely tried this out before and I love it. This, I believe, is a sample. Yep, a deluxe sample. The full size retails for $22, but this is actually a great size sample. And I used up my clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills a long time ago. So I'm actually very excited to get another one because I love it. I'll use it. I love brow products. So I'm happy with this as well. Next, I've got caffeine eye cream from the brand Beautinique Beauty. Brightening, depuffing. So this sounds nice. I'm not as excited about this product as I am about those other two I just pulled out. And this is a good size eye cream too. I feel like I'm getting good size products for my Ipsy Glam Bag, and that is definitely not always the case. Yeah, this is full size. The Beautinique Beauty Caffeine Eye Cream retails for $18. And I just have so many eye creams right now, and I don't really switch up my eye cream until I'm done with it. And even this size here will last me literally months of applying it morning and night. So that's why it's just not as exciting to get. However, I do love an eye cream, especially one like this that's brightening, it's got caffeine, and I really struggle with under eye circles as well. So at least the skincare products that I'm getting in this bag are really great for my skin concerns. Okay, and then my last product in here. Oh, this is the Give Them Lala beauty brand. And this is the Ibiza bronzer. Ooh, okay. I love trying out bronzers. Let's see what this shade looks like. Looks nice. Definitely looks like it's going to give a warmed up, sun-kissed effect to the skin because it looks more warm toned. And it has a bit of shimmer to it as well, which I'm not mad at. I love a glowy bronzer. And this is a sample, but once again, a great sample size. The Give Them Lala mini bronzer in the shade Ibiza. The full size retails for $26. So, okay. Not the best Ipsy Glam Bag I've ever gotten, but not bad either. The only product that I'm not too excited to get is this brush, but the rest of them I'm not mad at. So the other products that I got, I'll just continue on with a little recap here. I got that Benefit Professional Tight and Toned Foam, toning foam, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, the Beautinique Beauty Caffeine Eye Cream, and then that Give Them Lala Beauty Bronzer. So if you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear in the comments down below what you think of them. Also, let me know what you got in your Ipsy Glam Bag this month. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.